And now in order to make the nose, we are going to start with a slip knot in our pink yarn. Insert your hook. Now we're going to chain 5. And then for row 1, you are going to single crochet 4 across. And now for row 2, you are going to chain 1 and turn your work to the opposite side and work 4 single crochets across the bottom of the chain. And now you're just going to continue around without chaining, and you're going to single crochet 10. So now this is what your nose should look like from the front. Pull out a long tail for sewing, snip that off, and just snip off the excess. And now we're going to take our black yarn and we are going to weave in 2 small nostrils horizontally toward the top of the snout. When you're all done, this is what your nose should look like.